Hello and welcome back to What's in the Box. This time we have a rather big box, actually not really fitting into the shot itself, but we'll make it work. To you who's tuned in for the very first time, my name is Michael. Thank you very much for tuning in, checking out my content. If you like this kind of stuff and also like my proper model car reviews, which I linked you down in the description below, make sure to hit that subscribe button to help me spread the passion for Porsche model cars. Now back to this box. This here is a rather big box and there are some wonderful models in there. Hopefully they arrived here in one piece, so let's open her up. So to you who's wondering what this here actually is, these are just the empty boxes which Porsche uses to ship their model cars, and he just added some boxes in there to fill up the huge box here. And then with the ghost hand, wow, incredible, right? Glad to have a lovely assistant here. Alright, what do we have? Many models here. First up, let's unpack this one. So, first up we have a 997 Speedster, which is a very lovely car, especially in this blue color. Love it to bits. Next, we have a 996.2 911 GT2, very lovely. This is actually the second generation GT2, as you can see it with this black rear spoiler. Very nice, never had this model before. We have a yellow 964 Turbo from the Porsche Museum, a model car. Very nice, also never had this one before. We have here a Weissach RS, which is a yellow GT3 RS, the latest 991.2 generation. And then we have another one, a 997.1 GT3 RS in this lovely and very distinctive orange color. Very nice car. And again, this time just in a black-orange color theme, not the orange-black one. Also very nice. And then a GTS, but not any GTS. This is actually a Porsche exclusive 99.2 Carrera GTS, which is very nice, a limited edition, I think. Yes, to 600 pieces, and yeah, I sold this one quite some time again, and yeah, I instantly regretted selling this one, like the last one we unpacked here, the GT2 RS, and then the last model, the Belgian Legends Edition 992, a model I actually did a review of. A link is down in the description below. So let me know what you think of these models. Did I get some good purchases? And let me know if you want to see any of these in a future review. And a small side note, last time we unpacked this yellow GT2 RS here, and it was a very funny coincidence which we saw, which some of you noticed on Instagram. I'm very thankful to you, all of you who noticed that on Instagram. This one has the number 1159, and usually I unscrew these 143 scale models right away, but not this one. I just put this into my shelf here behind me because just some lack of time. But some of you noticed that this one has exactly the same limitation number as the big 118 scale one behind me, which I bought a year ago. So it's a huge and incredible coincidence that this and this have the same limitation number. Isn't that amazing, right? Thank you very much for the guys on Instagram who noticed that. If I would have unscrewed it from the bottom plate, maybe I would never have noticed this at any time. So that's it for this unpacking video. Tune in next time when I explore the Porsche model car world in 911 scales. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below, really helps me out. Thank you very much. Allah, ciao.